Some of us have wondered what happens when lawyers find themselves in trouble with the police. In this incident, an attorney takes the battle from the courtroom to the streets. You'll see the argument unfold and the outcome that had many of us questioning how it would end. But before we jump into the body cam footage, take a moment to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our weekly videos. Now, let's get into it.
Where's your driver's license?
What's the law, bro?
It's a car?
What's the law?
The law is that I give you
the law?
you just charged by this.
What's the penal code?
Listen to me.
Is that
I
a
don't
felony
have
or-
to explain anything.
Yes, you do. Is it
No, I
felony or
do not.
misdemeanor?
It's a misdemeanor,
What's
and
the-
I do
what's
have
the
a
law?
discretion. My discretion is to detain you.
What's the law?
I'm not going to discuss this with you right now, okay?
Why not?
Because I'm not.
What's the law? Where's your
All right.
supervisor? Bring your supervisor.
Yeah, he's coming in.
Okay, bring your supervisor.
All right, you're making it worse now.
Bring your supervisor.
You're making it worse.
We just please.
He's making it worse. Give me a car. He's going. You're not, listen, you trying to be a tough guy because you're from your friend?
What's the law? I don't know.
The law is that I told you not
That's
to
not
do
a
it.
law. What is that, misdemeanor or is that a
If
misdemeanor or felony?
If you stop,
Misdemeanor or felony?
listen, I'm not going to argue this
You're right.
with you. But if I give you an order, not for order, and you define me,
What's the law?
yes, you are now resisting.
That's not resisting.
Yes, you're resisting
Are
without
you
violence.
crazy?
Yes, you are.
You know
Yes,
what? I'm
you
a
are.
lawyer, okay?
I don't care who you are.
Fine. Get your supervisor out here.
Yeah, he's right
What's
here.
your name?
He's
Officer
right here.
Romero?
Yeah, he's right here.
All right, Romero.
Resisting without. I told him not to get off the car.
You have to be arrested for something to resist.
No. Why? I stopped you. I did.
We were stopped.
Because, yes, in the
What
middle of the road.
What law did I break?
You were stopped in the middle of the road with discharged pedestrians, and I told you not to do that.
What's the penal code? Is that a felony
primary officer right
or
here.
misdemeanor?
It's a
I'm just here to make sure everybody
It's a
goes home
misdemeanor?
safely tonight.
What's the penal code?
Listen, if you're gonna argue with me,
No.
listen.
Look, I can't talk to anyone. I'm
The
not talking
discretion is mine.
Are you his
okay?
supervisor?
I'm
You're
a
the sergeant,
supervisor,
okay.
yes.
So,
yeah.
I'll talk to
Just
you. I don't wanna
listen,
talk
we
to
just
you.
need to calm everybody down,
Sure.
all right? Everybody take a deep breath for me.
Yeah.
All right. Officer Romero is the primary officer. He's the one conducting the
You're his
investigation right
supervisor,
now.
Right? I don't want to talk to him. He's out of control.
Okay.
All right.
You don't have to talk at all, sir.
Your body came on?
It is.
Your body came
Yes,
on?
it is.
Okay, good. What's your
So
badge
we got some
number?
more.
502.
502 Romero.
We got some more
Gotcha.
officers coming over right now.
Sir, may I speak with you for just a second?
No, I'm not the investigating officer. I've already said it multiple times.
It's a very simple thing.
Sir, can I do this?
Listen, you gotta speak to him because I was willing just to give him a warning. He got out of control. He got out of his
I'm
car.
out of control.
He went like this and told me no
Yeah, I'm
to.
not out of control.
His wife and son in the back.
Do you understand that you are being rational?
I'm being calm.
I understand that he's got a lot going on. I'm sorry that he whatever happened, but we were getting dropped off by his wife and his son. That was it. He told us to turn around right here.
You told me to turn around in front of the police, in front of the police
Turn
car.
around in front of the in front of that police car. He did, and that's what he did.
And then I told him not to get off the car. Didn't I?
Sir, you said turn around there. We literally got out. His wife got in. We were going to drive away.
So just pull up a little bit, just so we can keep that. Yeah, just pull up a little more for me.
I didn't hear that. I was on the other side. I did not hear any of your instructions.
Okay, just go ahead. So, the whole thing here is this, right? If I go to your car and I told you not to do something, and you define and you pull away from me, I am going to do it. Right?
We got
going
out
to play that game.
He got out of the car so his wife could get in and drive away.
We pushed the door, you got out.
Is it on?
Mine's not right now.
I'm going to give him the 98. Right?
Yeah. Let's talk for a second. Can you watch him for a minute? Yeah. We're going to talk some strategy for 1 second.
I don't know what's going on. Very weird. He said turn around at the cop car, which he exactly did, and got out. He didn't tell us to come in here. He didn't say anything.
Who are the people in this black car?
My wife. His wife and son.
That's the car you were in?
Yeah, he literally got out of the car so his wife could get in.
Who was driving?
I was driving and she dropped me off going to the Honda. Like, what? He said turn around in front of the cop car. I turned around, and then I got out. And I'm going to walk across the street like I do every year when I come here. And he's going crazy.
He did
You have
go.
no idea why you're in handcuffs?
No, he
Yeah,
was.
I understand. His ego's
I don't know, I
hurt.
just got here.
Yeah, his ego's hurt because I was out of the car. He's like, get back in the car. I'm like, I'm not out of the car. She's leaving.
So you were getting dropped off to go to the event?
Yes, of course. That's it.
Turn around. He said,
Literally,
he said
turn around in front of the cop car.
at the
Turn around.
police car.
And I'm
That's
like,
exactly what
right
he
there.
did.
I'm out. 5 seconds.
He didn't say turn in
went
here.
to-
He didn't say
was
go
upset.
up there.
He was upset.
We
I didn't get back in the car.
instructed him
Like
when we-
his ego's hurt.
We
So
told
that's it.
him.
I didn't break any law.
Yeah, and when we came in, he said, where are you going? We said, we're dropping off. He's not an Uber, and he said, turn around at that car.
We'll get to the bottom of it. That's what they were talking about now. So, are you guys local or visiting?
Local. Come here every year. Local attorneys too.
So we're trying to have their day off, man. Trying to have some fun.
Do you have a local address?
I'm not talking to you.
Okay.
So I'll tell you why, sir. We're asking that question, all right? Because you're under arrest right now for resisting without violence. That's crazy. And so the thing is, we want to release you with a piece of paper. It's a ticket. But if you don't give us a local address, if we don't have that, then we have to make a custodial arrest and take you to jail. We don't want to do that.
What you should do is, this is an unlawful arrest, and so you should take these handcuffs off, and you should educate your officer to be a little bit more, not be so egotistic. Okay, like there's no resisting. There's no resisting. Okay, I didn't even resist anything. Resisting without violence, I didn't resist anything.
So
Pulling my arm. You're pulling. You're touching me.
Yeah.
He battered me. Right. I'm an attorney. I didn't do anything illegal.
Right. If you want to go and
but hey,
grab his driver's. Do you have a driver's license on you?
I mean, I will. Under protest, I'll give my. If I don't get my driver's license, am I going to jail?
I'm trying to give you a ticket so you can enjoy the rest of your day.
I will.
Actually, I don't even know. At this point,
we were
I will ask.
like we weren't even he wasn't even driving.
Yeah, I wasn't pulled over.
So you don't think? I mean,
so if you tell me that I will be arrested if I don't give you my driver's license, I will give you my driver's license.
No. You're under arrest right now, sir. I'm trying to give you a paper ticket. It's a notice to appear.
That's fine. I can't get to my driver's license. Okay,
I'll get that from you.
You say he was not
Officer
driving the car?
American.
no, I said.
Officer American, can you get a driver's license from? We need to start working on this paperwork.
Yeah.
All right.
Where's your license?
No, sir. Please don't touch me. Romero,
Yeah,
I need you to grab his driver's license.
Yes, I will. You have a good
I
feeling?
don't want to give it to him. I will give it to you.
Listen, you want
I'll
to
give it to my
arrest
friend.
man.
Stop. Sir,
Can you please get him away from me? I will.
No. He's the arresting officer right now. So I'm
You're
talking to you.
Here. Can I give him my phone?
you.
Can I get my friend my phone?
We're
Can I
gonna
get my friend my phone?
Where's is it in your hands?
It's in my phone.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Right. Can you take my phone? Right. In there is no. In the back. In the back. Turn it over. It's my driver's license.
Okay.
I'm gonna pop it out from the bottom.
So yeah, let's start working on the 44. Let's get this knocked out. And driver's license, phone number too.
No phone number. Where's your phone number?
It's for the reference.
No phone number.
Listen,
I know what I'm. You're entitled to my drive. That's what I'm trying to give you. I'm under arrest.
Why is this?
that's fine. That's fine.
I guess.
So I'll tell you, if you don't give us a phone number, then and if you don't want to, that's fine. But it's like if the state attorney's office had to call you because
They have my number.
They do. Okay.
Yeah.
No problem.
Yeah, why
I'm an
do you
attorney.
have a roided out dude going crazy? He literally told us to turn around.
Yeah.
Like he didn't
But
say
then
go there.
Then you stopped in the traffic.
There was
There's
no
no
traffic.
traffic.
There's nobody going this way. There's nobody going this way. He literally
nobody
followed instructions like crazy to me. He literally got out of the car. His wife got in, and the guy went ape shit. Like, what? You got to switch that guy up. He should not be up there letting people in. Like insanity.
You see, there's a lot of traffic coming
There was
in and out.
nothing there.
There's no
He
traffic
followed
coming
instructions.
out.
He said
But
turn
you
around
can't.
at the cop car.
I was out of the car.
Gentlemen,
I'm telling you.
I'll tell you how a conversation works.
Yeah.
I talk, you talk. I listen while you're talking, you listen while I'm talking, and we have a good conversation. But if we talk over each other, then I might as well just like put my face on the ground and yell into the grass. Like I'd love to have a conversation with you guys.
Sure.
You want somebody who's calm?
Yeah.
That's me.
Okay.
I'm talking to you, gentlemen.
Okay.
Okay.
We appreciate you.
Sure, and I appreciate everybody now, right? Everybody's calmed down. So when we have traffic over here, this is a pressure cooker of an event. These folks here are responsible for checking that everybody who comes on property is allowed to be on property. And so if you're saying that we have to drop somebody off, that triggers one location that you're allowed to come onto this entire property. That location is this lot right here.
Can I ask you a question?
1 second. Let me just give you a little bit more information, then I'll stop so you guys, because I know it's a lot to unpack. So there's one spot. It's not a U-turn. It's all the way inside this lot right here. This is our rideshare lot for Lyft, for Uber, for anybody dropping off, including if you're, say, an employee of the resort. So then,
Uber and rideshare.
are you telling?
I'm sorry. It's just,
But when I say rideshare, what does that mean to you, sir?
Can I ask?
That mean anybody who shares a ride together. So I said that might be you guys.
All right. So two things. One,
Yeah.
it's not a law. Okay. Two, I'm just dropping off. I don't know what your policies are because it's not a law. He told me turn around in front of this cop car, and I did.
Do you see a uniformed officer with a marked patrol vehicle?
Yeah,
That's exactly what he said. That cop car. He said,
turn around in front of
that
the cop
car.
car.
But
and then-
so
and
we all
that's
can say that he is a uniformed officer in front of a uniformed marked patrol vehicle.
Correct.
So if he tells you to turn into the rideshare lot,
He didn't
He
say
didn't
that.
say that. He said turn around.
He didn't say that. He said turn around in front
of the cop car, which we
go
exactly
did.
inside here.
He
into the
didn't
rideshare lot.
say that.
He never said that. He said, "Are
Yeah.
you Uber?"
He
said
did not
no.
say that.
And we
Okay.
literally followed his
So
exact.
do you see that white
Can you
sign that's facing
take
away
these
from
off?
us?
I'm not going anywhere.
Do you
I mean,
see
I'm
the
not-
white sign that's facing away from us?
No, we did not see that.
Followed
because
instructions,
it's
sir.
blocked. It's blocked by
You
the
guys
cop car.
are not answering my question.
We did not see that. No, we did not see that.
I see a sign
Turn
right there
around.
right now. I said the back of us, yes.
So when you get to the point where you're making that turn, that sign is literally right in front of you. It says rideshare lot.
We're
And
not
so you're
rideshare.
turning
Can
into
I
a
ask you a
rideshare.
question?
You are
Why
rideshare
didn't
because you have
he
multiple.
say pull into the
rideshare's
lot?
Uber.
He
and
said
like
turn
tell you
around.
to turn around and get out. He would never.
No,
do
never.
He said turn around in front of that
car.
cop car.
He didn't say turn into that
We
lot.
have a witness that says who was right next to him and said he said turn into the lot. And that's
No,
what he's
no,
been saying
no,
all
he
day,
didn't.
guys.
Hey, look,
So,
come
and that's
on,
his
man.
job. That's what he would
You know what?
have
I
done.
have dash cam in my car. I'll pull it.
Hey,
So save it.
Yeah, I'll
Please
pull it.
save it.
Okay.
Save
So
it.
that will
and
be
then,
your defense.
Yes.
The defense is never. I mean, first of all, resisting is ridiculous. I wasn't under arrest or anything. I didn't break
No,
any
you don't
law.
have to
Yeah. Well, look, I'll request everyone's body cam.
Well, you
and
said penal
we'll see.
code, so obviously it's out of California or some other state. So I'm sure we have similar laws, but
Wait,
that's
who's
fine.
out of
You can do
California?
it. Well, you said what's the penal for it?
Yeah. What's the statute?
Yeah.
What's
So
the
okay, well you
statute?
said penal, which is
Yeah,
interesting.
same
That's
thing.
fine.
They call it penal code here in Florida. I've been a prosecutor. Yeah, they call it penal code.
18 years, I've never heard penal code, but I've never worked for the state attorney's office either.
So
So
what you want,
Don't
you'll
worry.
have the ability to go to court just like everybody else. That's cool.
Yeah,
That's what we
it's
love
fine.
about
Your
it.
dude's a roided out asshole.
yeah,
I mean,
can you-
literally, we followed his
Well, that's
instructions.
your-
Take these
that's
off
No
because
harm,
this is
no
ridiculous
foul.
that
We
I'm
did
in cuffs
nothing
right
wrong.
now.
We
I'm not
followed.
doing
and
it.
he-
Can you
he
take
fucking-
these
did
cuffs off?
not
This is
follow
ridiculous.
instructions.
I'm not.
We
a
followed
danger
his
to
instructions.
anybody.
He never told us to come in there. You were not here. Okay, you were not
Can
here,
you
so
tell
don't
them
make
to take
that
these cuffs
assumption.
off? This is ridiculous. I'm in cuffs right
And
now.
this is
you're
embarrassing.
arrested right now, sir.
But all right, I'm not going anywhere. You're writing me a ticket.
You're under arrest right now. We'll take them off in a moment. You can't even have a good conversation with me without talking
Because
over
this
me.
is the most ridiculous thing. We followed the dude's instructions. If he said come in here, why do you think we wouldn't just drive in here? He literally said turn around at
Not
the
to
cop car.
mention, the fact
Like, he didn't
is
say
that
come in here.
I was out of the car.
Is it
Would have
possible
been
you
out in 5
misunderstood him?
No,
I was listening
we
to
were
the guy.
And
Yeah.
the bottom line, I was
turned
out of
around.
the car. It would have taken another
Why-
15 minutes to turn around and go back here. Other than the fact that I walk out, my wife jumped in the car and leaves, and there was no traffic anywhere behind us. It was 5
And
seconds.
no one's came down here.
His
Like, literally,
ego
no
is
one's came
why
down.
this
Maybe
happened.
that's why
it.
he said
because he
turn
would have
around
just
at
been
the
like,
cop
go
car.
ahead. It would have been fine. Like nobody, we didn't block any traffic.
Yeah.
Nobody was hurt. He just his
what
ego
about
got hurt.
Thousands of cars
Yeah,
come
what-
here
and what
every
about-
day, and he
5
has never
seconds.
told anybody.
I don't know.
Never.
You were-
That
I don't know.
never happens.
We're both there. We're both lawyers. It's on dash cam.
love
I'm
it.
totally
This is
confident
just
that.
insane.
Yeah.
Like literally,
And
we're
we're
here to
trying
have a
to be
good time.
very,
This guy
very calm
followed
and
directions.
I mean, I'm in cuffs. You know, I don't know how you could be calm and collected. I got in handcuffs for turning. Even worst case scenario, I stopped my car right there. That's
There's
it.
no resisting
there's
arrest.
no
I mean,
resisting at all.
that's insanity.
Your guy is
That's
crazy.
ins-
So
Well,
That's absolutely insane.
look, we'll take it up with the chief and the state attorney, and see what happens.
Do you have tickets for the whole week?
Just for today.
Well, we're gonna figure that out. What, 51?
stay with him for 1 second.
Well, he's called me.
This is insane.
Yeah. I don't know how they can.
It's a bad reminder, guys. Take a picture of this here. Everything. You didn't do anything wrong. You literally followed the guy's fucking instructions. The guy's just all roided out and shit and has something, anger problems. Not the guy that should be up there.
Yeah. Is there a way you can ask them to take these cuffs off?
I think as soon as he's done with the paperwork, they're gonna come off.
It's getting a little uncomfortable.
Let me check them for you.
Can I get them up front? My shoulders are getting a little uncomfortable.
Let me ask them. I don't have a problem with it. Give me 1 second. I'll see if I can.
Yeah.
This is the most ridiculous thing I have ever seen.
Sorry, I'm very bad.
I got you.
Range of motion, my shoulders.
Resisting arrest. You have to put somebody under arrest first, don't you? What was the What was the citation? What did you do incorrectly?
He said failure to listen to lawful command, which is not really a.
You were already out of the car.
It's not really a law.
You were already out of the car. So I don't get it. Can we sit down on this? So this is kind of embarrassing here. Like we're not doing it.
Sit right here.
Watch.
I know he's coming.
Just sit up here. So it's. I mean,
You
it's
can
kind
if
of-
you want.
Yeah, it's kind of
If you
embarrassing.
need to sit, go ahead. You probably can't with the cuffs. That's what I'm saying, though.
That's
Yeah.
what I'm saying.
He's.
Let's try that.
Give me just 1 second. I'm gonna just see if I can take him off for you. Hang on.
Great, thank you. You put him up front. You know?
Yeah, I mean, I don't think there's any. Give me 1 second.
I'm not doing anything.
Did they still have your license?
Yeah, they do. They'll give it right back to you. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I saw it over there.
All right, we're gonna
His
take you out.
shoulder's hurting. Can I just take him out?
Okay, yeah, we'll take
that's
him
what
out
I was
right now.
No, I'll just take him out.
Do you guys want to sit down while we're processing the paperwork?
This might be a little bit tough
Just
to
be a
get
few
off,
minutes.
so just bear with me because you're at a weird angle.
Yeah. Better. Whew. Thank you.
You guys want to sit, stand? You can do whatever you want. Just stay in this area. If you want to,
If you want to sit on the cart, if you want to.
you're
as well.
welcome to. Yeah.
I'll have to get your names. I don't have them.
Well, the one we ran.
You guys gonna prevent me
Yeah,
going
sorry
to
to
the
put
thing
myself.
I believe that's what
One
they're
of them's
doing.
gonna be the
Not
10-15,
us.
The other one's gonna be a 10-12.
I believe PGA Security is.
What?
Yeah. You
For
guys are,
dropping off? Getting dropped off? I'm not a danger to anybody.
Wait, you're not gonna let us in?
I have VIP tickets. Can I go try to change them to another day?
Oh, you can. No, you're,
Wait, you
you're
guys
not
are
allowed
gonna
for the
bar
rest
us?
of the week.
You guys are gonna bar us from the event? This is fucking unbelievable. This is fucking crazy. Literally, we
It's
followed
your
this guy.
attitude that has gotten you this way, sir.
I haven't said nothing, sir. We followed
said nothing
directions. He
but
said turn
profanity
around.
to us, sir.
He turned around and followed instructions. His wife got in the car, and we were going to the event. Why are we being barred from the event? Who's barring us from the event?
PGA National Security does not want you on property. PGA National
This is fucking
does
crazy.
not want you on property. I guarantee if I go find the cognizant head, they will not want you on property.
This
What,
is-
for getting dropped off? Can you go find the cognizant head then?
Yeah, let's get it.
Call
How
cognizant
about
yourself.
the PGA National Security guy?
He's right there.
You guys don't want us on
Sir,
property? Go on the bed
sir.
Absolutely not. You got a zero tolerance. That's it.
for getting dropped off?
No, not the way you got dropped off. Not the way you guys handled it. And I guess you're lawyers. You should know professionalism goes all the way over.
Yes, professionalism goes both ways. Doesn't it go both ways?
Of course, that's what he's doing.
Right, here's your driver's license, sir.
What's that?
Can I get a phone number?
That's me, yes, sir. Thank you. Yeah, perfect.
All right, so you being arrested for resisting without. All right, the instruction for this I behind. All right, your court date is going to be on April 3rd, 2024 at 10 a.m. on the North County Courthouse, 3188 PGA Boulevard. You have to sign this. This is not an admission of guilt. This is just mean that I give you the court date.
You call him an ass when you wonder why you're barred from this.
You're wondering why you're getting kicked off.
Fuck you. We did nothing wrong. We did nothing
Go.
wrong. All right.
Go.
Get the fuck on. I did nothing wrong.
Get the
So
fuck.
I give you the. Thank you. So I just send that.
Is that not your right?
Hold on. Is that what we got? Is that your wife? Fucking asshole.
Sir.
I'm not ready to go in the car yet. I haven't been asked by anyone to get in the car yet.
I'm telling you right now, please enter the car.
I'm staying here as a witness for this.
Witness?
Yeah.
You're about to be arrested.
You're going to get arrested because now we've trespassed you, and if we're asking you to leave the property,
Get in the car before you get under.
that's a terrible idea, sir. I can't believe you're an attorney.
Attorney, huh?
These are simple statutes or penals.
Out of here. Do you want to turn around right here?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Watch your back.
Yep.
you go, sir. You're free to go.
How did you feel the attorneys handled this situation? Did they come across as arrogant? Or do you think the officers should have been more educated? Or did the officers handle this situation just like they would with anyone else? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more.